Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to stop photos and videos from auto downloading on Messenger. So if you have a limited data bundle and whenever you turn on the data, that specific data will be consumed on a Messenger because someone sent you a file and that specific file like videos or audios or pictures will be auto downloaded. So it will cost you too much data. So what you have to do is in order to make your free space or in order to protect your data balance, what you have to do is just simply go to the top left corner of three horizontal lines. So after tapping on those three horizontal lines, just simply hit the top right corner of settings button here. So after tapping on settings button here, you have to just simply scroll down until you are able to find the option which is data saver. So you have to simply turn on this option and you guys can see here it is toggled off. So what you have to do is just simply toggle it on. Here what you have to do is just simply toggle it on. So after toggling it on, what it can do is whenever you are on a mobile data, the messenger will not auto download any of the message which is photos or videos. In this way you guys can get protect your data as well as you guys can protect your space or storage. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.